How to whitelist IP address in GoDaddy. Now for this you will need to have purchased the GoDaddy security package. So if you have it purchased, you will need to click on your name in the top right corner and then go into My Products. Now, like I said, if you have purchased the GoDaddy security package, you will have a section here for security. And what you have to do, I'll just refer you to this article. In the product page, which I just showed you, you will have website security and backups. And you want to click on manage to the side here. It's going to look like this, manage, but not for domains, but for security. Then what you have to do is click on firewall and then select details. Then you need to proceed to go into settings and select access control. Now from there you will see an option to allow IP addresses or addresses. So you have to select that and select block IP address to block an IP address, or if you want to whitelist one, you can add it here as well. And this is the box and how it's going to look. So you allow IP addresses here, add new IP address, you type out the IP address and then you can select the time, how long you want to allow it for. And that's basically it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.